Hi guys, thanks for joining today. We're going to do something a little bit different. I have a camera. Why, you may ask? Well, today we're going to do a photo shoot because some of you might follow me on Instagram, and on Wednesdays I do the hump day thing with a beautiful young lady, and today we have a spectacular young lady, Mila Chernikova. I didn't disappoint when I said spectacular, right? Hi!
Hey guys!
Hi! So Mila and I, we're going to do a photo shoot, and you, Adam, are going to capture it all on video. First you have to show me how to switch the camera on. I switched it on. But I am anticipating that you're going to help us out here directing the photo shoot because I don't know what I'm doing. You tell me that all the time.
Okay.
Right?
I'll do my best.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Why don't you stand in front of the car? How am I doing so far, Adam?
Pretty good.
Okay, good.
I'm impressed.
How's the light?
Great.
Good. Is this set properly?
Sure, AV, and then what are you on right here? Oh, it's not even on.
How do you switch that on?
The screen should, oh, there we go.
I didn't know you could do that. How did you do that?
Oh no, it wasn't turned on. So let's shoot like F8. There you go.
How do you know it's F8?
Because it says right here, F8. So the aperture is set.
But isn't the picture supposed to be in there?
Look in the picture hole.
Oh, look at the picture hole. Okay, I'm looking at the picture hole. Are we ready?
We are ready.
Give me everything you've got.
Okay.
All right.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy.
I don't know if there's a SIM card in here. How do I check to see if there's
SIM card?
Yeah.
What is it, a phone?
You know, the
Memory card?
there is because it plays the picture.
There you
Okay,
go.
never mind.
Saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know?
Can we just do one thing, just because people will make fun of you? Can we just fold this screen in so that it's not hanging out? There we go.
What do you mean people? Why would people...
That's me helping you out right there.
Okay, but why would people make fun of me just so that I understand?
Well, just because with the big flappy screen out on the side.
Oh, it looks like I have an extra ear or a big ear. Hi!
Hi, buddy.
Hi! Can we borrow your dog to sit there for a shot?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, cool.
Zeb, come.
Come on. Does he bite?
Does he bite? No, he's just a bit, he gets a bit scared. Come.
Aw.
I have to put him on a
Is he a
leash.
wolf?
He's a shepherd.
I'll tell you what he is, not having any of this.
He's not. He doesn't want to do it, does he?
Sit.
Oh, he's a
Wait.
good boy.
Stay.
Oh,
Stay.
that's brilliant.
Wait. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Zebby, you're going to be a star.
That's amazing, right? That's absolutely amazing. Thank you.
Good boy.
Welcome.
Thank you.
All right, see ya.
Super cool.
Thanks very much.
No worries,
Oh.
bye.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
Mila, you look amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, I lost the lens cap.
Uh-oh.
What did I do with it? Seriously. I really lost the lens cap. This is distressing.
What's the most important thing about this moment in time?
Finding the lens cap. Seriously, I lost the lens cap.
I don't see it in here.
It's not on there.
I mean, is
not
it
in
something
my
we can-
pocket.
We can deal with later.
Well, we could,
Just thinking
but
that,
it's
you know.
quite frightening. Okay, we'll deal with it later.
There we
We'll deal
go.
with it later. Look at that. That's. We'll deal with it later. Is this still switched on? Yes.
It is.
Good.
Remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it
So now, I'd like to do a couple of little videos with my phone for Instagram. Yes? Okay, let's do it.
Under my tattoos, there's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy.
Last one. We can do the flexibility thing if you want to.
Yeah, we should.
Is that good with you?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
We should do something with it.
So you have to change. I'm going to let you get your stuff because I don't want to dig deep in your bag. You never know what might be in there that might bite. Would you like a ride to the changing room? Can you handle it?
I might be able to handle it.
Okay.
It's a good 3-mile stretch, but
Start running.
it should be good.
You get some nice shots?
I think I've got some amazing shots.
Perfect.
I think we should ride up the street and meet Mila. It's ridiculously warm today.
It is. Could you unlock me, please, sir?
I never locked you.
I think Mila might have done it.
How do you do it? Seriously, how do you do it? There you go, that works.
Daddy's got you.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah.
That's your favourite function of the car.
This is also my favourite function, the freezing cold air conditioning.
Okay.
Also Los Angeles at its quietest.
You're a lousy helper. You're supposed to open the door for us. You know? Okay. Ready? Can you manage?
Thank you.
Don't fall down there.
Nope.
Go for it. Show us what you can do.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because echoes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong.
Don't move. Easy for me to say that, right?
Arguments spinning in circles. We're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason.
Perfect. Got it. Okay, so now I'm going to try it. You guys are in for a shock. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You lean into it.
Well, I do this at high speed, so fast.
Let me switch to slow-mo then.
Ready?
Ready.
There. What do you think,
Whoa.
guys? Was that cool?
That was fast.
I mean, that was pretty good. Did you see how high my leg went up? Make the noise. Boom!
Where are we? We're in a different place.
We are in residential Beverly Hills, and if you look around, there's some very
Hold
beautiful...
on a second, Mr. Blakey. I have a bone to pick with you.
Here we go. I'm in trouble.
You told me that because Beverly Hills is so amazing, they all have alleyways behind the houses so that you don't see the trash cans.
That's not true. All houses in the flats of Beverly Hills have alleyways
I
because it's the
see.
flats in the hills they don't have that because
Changing
you
the
could.
story now.
Right here they have tunnels.
Well, apparently not, because look.
Yeah. Yeah. It's Thursday. It's trash day.
Flames, don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. Start with the thicker, keep getting thicker. We watch it go down in flames. Hang on the ropes now, 'cause I wanna feel your body next to me. Get a bit closer, just a bare second till we're falling deep. Crash and burn, oh my God, look on your face, it's just my luck. Move so fast, 'cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep on circle back to what I do. I crush a little harder and hide the tools. Yeah. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. Start with the figure, keep getting thicker. We watch it go down in flames.
Is that it?
Well, as much as I'd like to continue doing this all day long, we got to call it a day. It's baking hot. You've been amazing, and thank you so very, very much. Mila's info, she has a website. Go to it and support her. She also has an Instagram. We'll put all the information in the notes there. Give her a follow. Yeah, exactly. Mila, thank you so
Thank you.
so much. You're an angel, and
Thank you.
this has been wonderful. Guys, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and we'll see you soon. In it to win it. Bye.